Welcome to TMB Designs. I am Trevina, your host of this fabulous lifestyle channel full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. Well, guys, the dream team is at it again. Your girl Bree is spearheading this holiday Christmas mix with the dream team, of course, and each week we are asked to present a different type of video to get you in the holiday spirit. Well, this week, you guys, it is to create the look for less. You guys know my love of blue, and I was immediately drawn to these amazingly beautiful trees in some of our high fashion or designer florist stores. You guys, the blues just pull me in with the opulent golds and teals and aquas blended beautifully together. I absolutely love this look. It just screams regal, royal, elegant, everything that I love in a designer space. However, upon carousing the stores, looking at all of the beautiful designs, you guys, believe it or not, another color caught my eye. Along with this beautiful teals and aquas gold combination, you guys, I was instantly drawn to this fabulous rose gold beauty. I absolutely fell in love with this color palette. So at this point, I'm torn. What do I do? How do I create these designer looks and do it on a dime? Of course, I dare not pay full price for these ornaments. Although I love them, I must wait until after the sale. So my mission became, how do I create these looks, stay within my budget, and please the designer within? Well, you guys, I simply decided to combine the two and create what I am calling in my home the Hudson. I was drawn to these colors, you guys, because they are significant to me and my family, as they were my love and I's wedding colors. And I thought, how perfect would it be to go home and create this look for less? You guys, this 7.5-foot flock beauty is prancing proudly on a rotating tree stand, so it gives it a regal, opulent feel all in itself. I was drawn to the floor pics of each of the tree designs, and so I set my sights last season on adding them to my collection, and boy am I glad I did. Along with the beautiful rose gold, champagnes, teals, and aqua colors, you guys, this tree is absolutely perfect in that it brings both of the themes and designs that I was drawn to into one cohesive look. And shopping my home, the blues and champagne were already a part of my collection. I simply needed to bring in the rose gold. But how do I do that for less, you ask? I hit the sales. Hobby Lobby featured rose gold pieces at 50% off. I added them to the collection. The At Home store had Christmas decor as well, and I added them to the collection, just bringing in splashes of that beautiful rose gold. And it is a definite winner in my home. We absolutely love the Hudson. It will be a staple in my home for many, many years to come. So I'll allow you guys to view this beauty and enjoy it as I have for many, many weeks now. The ribbon, you guys, was an 80% off clearance after Christmas last year because, again, I plan my seasons a year ahead so that I can maximize the sales. This beautiful sequence or glittered ribbon, you guys, was also a part of an off-season sale about 3 or 4 seasons ago because, again, you guys, I knew that champagne was going to be a staple in my decor, and so I began to build on that collection many, many years ago. To my surprise, Hobby Lobby carried this pinstripe rose gold deco mesh ribbon that was the perfect splash that I needed to bring in that new color into my design without breaking the bank. Mixing the highs and lows together, you guys, it is an absolute showstopper. Everywhere your eye turns, it is full of regal elegance. And let's talk about this amazing tree topper. I absolutely love this over-the-top glam design. I simply mix 3 to 5 floral picks together to give me interest and texture into this monochromatic color scheme. You want to do that when you're working in a monochromatic theme. I wanted to keep my tree topper in the champagne colors and bring my splashes of color throughout the design. You can choose it however you like, but I decided to choose to do it this way. And it is absolutely stunning. You guys, the dream team is decking the halls for the next 4 weeks. So after you finish viewing this video, please hit the playlist below and enjoy the other content of all of my other amazing designing sisters. You will not be sad that you did. I want to thank Miss Bree for hosting this amazing collaboration. It is so jam-packed full of inspiration and creativity for your designing and holiday pleasure. If you're new to TMB Design, I want to invite you to please go ahead and hit that subscription button and join the TMB family. Also hit that notification bell so that you always know when I upload new content. Not only am I doing the holiday mix with my designing sisters, you guys, I'm taking part in vlogmas as well as doing my own Deck the Halls series. So there is a month full of jam-packed glam decor on the TMB station. So you will not be disappointed with the content here. To my tried and true, I want you to know that I love and appreciate you. Thank you for your continued support. If you have not already, connect with me on my other social media sites, TMB Designs 2 on Facebook, TMB Designs 2 on Instagram. I would love to interact with you there as they get sneak peeks of some of the designs before it actually makes it to YT. It's not that I don't love you guys, it's just quicker to upload over there. But I will bring it to you nonetheless. Now until the next video, I want you all to have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful holiday decorating day. Smooches.